Service in League City has issued a tornado warning for western Galveston County in southeastern Texas, eastern Fort Bend County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, south central Harris County in southeastern Texas, until 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 2:39 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over southwestern Mangle, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Alvin and Brookside Village around 2:50 p.m. Central Standard Time. Pearland, Friendswood, southwestern Southbelt Ellington, and greater Hobby area around 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. This is your NOAA weather radio station.